The year 2021 has been unlike any other in recent memory. Almost every aspect of our lives changed dramatically during this time. For several months, the majority of the world's population was placed under lockdown. As a result, many large corporations went bankrupt and never recovered. People lost their jobs, and many were forced to change their lifestyles. All of this leaves humanity in a state of fear, uncertainty, and unmet expectations. Everyone's attention was focused on one thing above all else: survival. The pandemic has cost time and resources, but there are some lessons to be learned from it all. One of the most important lessons is that relying solely on your active income from your job can be as risky as sitting on a ticking time bomb. Can you and your loved ones survive several months without income from a single source of income? Can your living expenses be covered even if you do not work for an entire year? Let's pretend you lost your job today. How long can you go without finding a new job? If the answer to any of the aforementioned questions is no, then you need to pay close attention to the points we're going to make. Welcome to Financial Fluids. In this video, I'll teach you 7 ways to multiply your income. Let's now get going. You should be familiar with the terms active income and passive income. Number 1, active income. First, active income. This is the wage you receive for working. To reap the rewards of your endeavor, you must put in time and effort. Without your physical participation, nothing will be earned. Number 2, passive income. Second, passive income, which refers to earnings from investments that do not require a lot of your time and effort. Means that in order to effectively multiply your income in 2021, you are employing systems that rely on the efforts of others. You should look into these 2 possible ways to make money and think about using them to add to your current income. However, you should prioritize passive income while also investigating other active income sources. 3 steps to boost your income. Increase your capacity. Increase your capacity. For you to succeed in anything in life, you must put money and time into investing in yourself and learning new skills. You have to go through training. If you start something without knowing how to do it, you will fail. For instance, if you want to start investing in real estate, you should take some courses on the subject, or sign up for mentoring to learn the factors that influence the local real estate markets. You need to find out about the tax laws and legal systems in the states or countries you want to visit. Take your time and practice these skills. You do not need to be an expert. Before you begin, however, learn the fundamentals that will save you months, if not years of frustration, as you progress in your journey and gain more knowledge and experience in what you do. Monetize. Monetize. Keep in mind that your goal is to multiply your income. Whatever you do, find the best ways to monetize your efforts. Mastering the skills is not enough. You must also learn the business side of it. There are many gifted artists whose works are unknown outside of their close circles, but there are those with similar skills who have sold paintings worth millions of dollars. If you plan to invest in rental properties, choose the investment that will give you the quickest and safest return on your money. Before closing the deal, make sure your marketing strategies are sound and run background checks. Gaining more money is what you want, not losing what you already have. Make sure to include the cost of running advertisements in your product or service's asking price. Cut out all unnecessary costs and boost your profit if necessary. If you made a bad choice and are losing money, don't waste time selling stocks or real estate. Even if doing so will result in a partial loss of your investment, will ultimately protect you more from losses. Leverage technology. Leverage technology. At the very least, the 2020 lockdown has made people more aware of the power of technology. The only businesses that survived the pandemic used internet technology. While many large corporations went out of business or may never reopen, some internet-based startup businesses experienced phenomenal growth. There has never been a better time in the world we live in to launch your online business. Make sure that only a minimal amount of physical presence is required during operations. Create a website and point all marketing traffic there. By doing this, you will increase your company's visibility and your chances of making more money. If you need help in the office, you can cut down on the number of people you need to hire by hiring remote workers from sites like Fiverr and Upwork. This achieves the same result while saving a significant amount of time and resources. Blogging allows you to establish an online presence. Choose or make a niche that has something to do with your business, but be careful. Your niche should be something in which you are interested and passionate about. You won't have any trouble coming up with content for your website if you choose the right niche. Find out what problems people want to solve and write articles to address them. Find out what questions people are asking and respond to them. Once you've proven yourself to be an expert in your field, you'll be able to draw in more people. The more targeted traffic you get to your blog, the more income you'll have. You can find producers both locally and online. Number 3, online courses. Third, online classes. Your area of knowledge and expertise can be the focus of an online course. Some examples are tutorials on algebra, legal advice, a foreign language, and driving. You can put your content online and decide how subscribers who want to see it will get it. Even better, you can start a for-pay WhatsApp group where you can charge people to learn these things from you. If you have valuable information, people will pay for access to it. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Number 4, dividend-paying stocks. Fourth, dividend-paying stocks. Decide how much of your income or savings you want to put into stocks, and hire a professional to help you find companies that pay regular dividends. The company you choose must have a history of consistent growth as well as corporate policies that ensure stability. Number 5, write a book. Fifth, write a book. You can organize your thoughts and knowledge into a book that will be useful to readers. Never forget how far people will go to get the information or wisdom you have to share with the public. You'll never know how good you are at writing unless you try. For a reason, Amazon has become the world's largest book distributor. Given the demand for knowledge, it implies that you can profit by creating something valuable and selling it to the general public. Number 6, YouTube channel. Sixth, the YouTube channel. It works similarly to blogging or writing a book to create a YouTube channel where you post videos that benefit people's lives. It all depends on the caliber of the content you release and what you do to make your channel visible. People are drawn to things that catch their attention, so if your content is engaging, educational, and informative, you'll soon have a large following on YouTube. And once that happens, you can start earning money from businesses interested in sponsoring your videos. Number 7, become a social media influencer. Seventh, become a social media influencer. Influencers are people who share interesting content with their social media followers on a regular basis. This piques followers' interest and encourages them to return for more. Because of their social media handles, they have a sizable fan base. If you already have a social media account and know you have interesting stories to share, you can start growing your audience right away. Stop liking and commenting on other people's Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram posts, and start sharing your own. But if you want to build an audience, you need to make sure your content is well-targeted, focused, and specialized. If you're good at what you do, people will like your personality and invite more people to your handle. You will also attract the interest of businesses that are willing to pay to have a mention on your handle. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.